I get net of Chanukah, Chevre. Ich darf nicht etwas wasen. That blew my mind. Perry's Gourmet is a edible activity. I'm going to wasen a box with Titzig do koidem kol. Beautiful boxes, beautiful for Chanukah presents for your children, for the eineklach. It's something special. It's beautiful in a box. This is something that's extraordinary, vis-a-vis, how do you pronounce this? Extraordinary edible fun. Basically, Chevre, do is a bingo game of a cookie. Comes with a card, comes with instructions, it comes with stuff to fill in the bingo stuff. It's a real game which the kids can play and then eat. Let me do next. Those are the lollipops, okay? Geherige geschmack große lollies with markers to color it in. Beautiful. Die box haben wir gehabt. Wow. Geherige dreidel. I'm going to lang of tell it. Du hast a crossword puzzle. You have a marker which you could do the crossword puzzle with. In noch dem Essen is everything here is edible. Du hast a cookie, beautiful cookies to be able to decorate. This kit with glue, stuff to stick onto the cookies, paint, edible paint, Chevre. You make a little wet, take the paintbrush, and you paint the cookies by design. What's the dreidlich you could decorate? Comes of course with instructions, exactly how to do it, dot art, do it yourself cookie kit. This is something, Chevre, that your kids, wie die Geist Shabbos Chanukah geht weg, mal sehen, was die sich do. Wow, du hast a cookie, es kommt mit erwartet der heimische Hechscher. Du hast CRC, aber das geht der Hechscher. Alles ist homemade, heimisch gemacht. Cookies. This alle meine, toppings to top the cookies with. Alle meine sprinkles, colorful. Das halt die Kinder Schuhes von ihnen. Geist weg auf Shabbos Chanukah. Stam an Nacht, this is about the menorah. The kids can be busy with this, can play with this. So alle meine boxes. You could order from. Let me show you guys. Let's try to do one myself. Ich habe probieren zu machen ein Box allein. Chevre, help me out. Okay. Ich muss auföffnen. Wow. Let's try to. Wow, this geht mit alle meine cookies that you could decorate. All different type of powders to be put on top. Let's get with glue, of course, edible glue, paintbrush. Let's start and let's see what we come out with here. Okay, lass mal lernen die instructions. Sand art, do it yourself cookie kit, dip brush into glue. Lass mal unheim, Chevre. Wow, should we do this? Or should we do bingo? Or should we do the mosaic art kit? Was soll man tun? Chevre, my hype tun. Stay tuned. Let's start. A bisschen glue, a bisschen sand art, Chevre. Und lass mal sehen, was kommt raus von dem. Drei Schuhe später, Chevre, gebe ein Kick-Over. Wow, das ist manchmal eine Hände wie Gießkapechu. Beautiful. Es kommt aus einer herrlichen Sache, Chevre. I can promise you one thing. Enke Kinder gehen sein gespannt, was Schuhe ist lang. So du Chanukah Vacation, die Kinder sind daheim. Bestell jetzt bei Perry's Gourmet. Verhalten enke Kinder gespannt, was Schuhe ist. My guarantee. And if the Kinder sind happy, guys die auch sind happy. Also du alle meine Games und alle meine creative edible items. Da geht der Hechsche. Rief jetzt 646-535-0617 oder geht sie www.perrysgourmetnewyork.com zu bestellen and they ship worldwide around the whole America, Chevre. Don't forget to mention the Perlowitz Show for a discount. Call up, mention the Perlowitz Show for a discount on any box from Perry's Gourmet, Chevre. Enjoy it! In had hem daar lichtig in Chanukah.